More carrots. Don't tear it. More.
तो हेलो गाइस, सभी का स्वागत है। वेलकम बैक टू Alle.Shiva channel. मैं हूँ शिव साई. So guys, in this video we are going to see the Chrome shortcuts. In previous video we have seen the top 20 essential Chrome shortcuts, right? In this video we are going to see the another 15 Chrome shortcuts. Shortcut number 21, Control plus W, which is used to close the current tab. Shortcut number 22, Control plus Shift plus W, which is used to close the current window. Shortcut number 23, Control plus Shift plus T, which is used to open the recently closed tabs. Shortcut number 24, Control plus Tab, which is used to switch between the tabs. Shortcut number 25, Control plus left click, which is used to open the link in new tab. Shortcut number 26, Control plus page down, which is used to open the browser tab to the right. Shortcut number 27, Control plus page up, which is used to open the browser tab to the left. Shortcut number 28, End, which is used to go to the end of the web page. Shortcut number 29, Home button, which is used to go to the home of the web page. Shortcut number 30, F12, which is used to inspect the current web page. Shortcut number 31, Shift plus Escape, which is used to open the taskbar of Chrome, task manager of Chrome. Shortcut number 32, Control plus Shift plus Delete, which is used to clear the browser history. Shortcut number 33, if you want to report an issue regarding web page or regarding Chrome, Alt plus Shift plus I. Shortcut number 34, how tab is used in Chrome. Let's see. If I type U tab, I can search in YouTube search engine. If I type something like Python, it does not search in Google, it searches in YouTube. Shortcut number 35, Control plus O, which is used to open the file in the Chrome. Guys, hope you like it. These are the essential shortcuts which we use in our daily life for Chrome. And the thing, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.